This is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps for claiming a Waterpik warranty. To begin, visit our website. Just 3 simple steps are sufficient to claim the Waterpik warranty. Ensure you read each step carefully as they contain crucial instructions for a trouble-free warranty claim. Contact details, such as email and phone number, are provided below the 3rd step. After you access the official Waterpik website, you will need to scroll down to contact the customer support team www.waterpik.com, which is under the title Product Support. You can find the customer support options divided into 3 sections: FAQs, Phone Support, 800-525-2774, and Email Support. When you contact them via email, you should mention the reasons for contacting them. Waterpik provides you with a replacement for defective products in case the troubleshooting guidance does not work to restore the products to working condition. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too. I'm here to support you anytime.